Hello traders, my name is Yaroslav Burchenko, Chief Market Analyst at olymptrade.com, and I'm here to bring you guys another Psychology of Trading video. Now today we are going to discuss the gambler's fallacy. You will learn that fans of gambling, and including roulette, they have this belief that after several consecutive black numbers, there's bound to be a red number. Many traders also follow trading in this same manner. For example, they predict that a reversal is bound to show up after the last few trading sessions have been moves in the opposite direction, when in fact, in reality, there's absolutely no correlation between the two events. Let's talk about it. The gambler's fallacy is the belief that previous results will affect the probability of future results. Now that is something that we heard in trading, that we use the historical graphs to kind of forecast what we see in the future, but do not confuse the two, especially when they relate to recent events. Imagine you are in a coin flipping contest with a friend and he wins the coin every time it lands on heads, but you win the coin every time it lands on tails. The coin has landed on heads 8 times in a row, and your friend offers to bet you $100 that the coin will land on heads the next coin you toss. You have the opposite belief because, trend is your friend, and if there's been 8 heads, why not there be another one? So which one of you is right? Let's find out. No one. The probabilities are independent. They have no correlation between the two, and that is something you need to keep in mind when you're trading. A gambler stays where he is, thinking that sooner or later he'll get his money back. He thinks that every loss brings him closer to a win, but that's just not the case. The problem is that some traders prefer to trade just like they're gambling. They will never stop believing that sooner or later the market will reverse. Guys, take the approach a little bit differently. Wait in your trading for that one good trade. Don't take every shot that comes at you. This isn't baseball. You don't have to swing every time for a home run. You have to look for that one good trade. You don't have to swing at every pitch. You wait for that one good setup and limit yourself to that only one good setup. Approach markets like it's the first time every time. Conduct your analysis. Read the fundamental data. Look at the sentiment. Look at where the markets in general are heading. Every day you need to conduct that analysis once again. My name is Yaroslav Burchenko. That's it for today's lesson, you guys. I hope you found it useful. Go ahead, please leave a like. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments section below. Also, if you're an owner of a social media page, go ahead and share this video on your page so that others can see what you're into, what you're learning, and find that good information on your page. Thank you guys so much for your time, and I wish you guys good luck trading out there. Peace!